this is Jennifer Wingate.
Hi, this is Anuradha Tiwari, and you're watching us on Times Network.
Well, hello and welcome back on Times Network. This is me, Mushakha Pandit, and आज मेरे साथ दो बहुत ही special guest हैं. Well, Jennifer and Anuradha, firstly, welcome on Times Network.
Thank you.
I would say fans बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं शो को, and you know, daily updates क्या मैं कहती हूँ, they are more excited. उनसे शुरुआती तौर पे क्या कहेंगे कि आने वाले ट्विस्ट्स कुछ हैं जो आप उनको थोड़ा ऐसे स्नीक पीक देना चाहेंगे, क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं?
आने वाले ट्विस्ट तो है तो अनुराधा जी बताएंगी क्या है, बिकॉज इनके दिमाग से निकलता है जो भी निकलता है. हम तो वी आर मेयर एग्जीक्यूटिव्स, शी इज द क्रिएटर, सो she'll better answer that question.
So actually ये जोक है कि on Twitter and on social media every day मैं आज तो मेरा जोक ये है कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट ही ऑनलाइन कर दूं क्या? तो मतलब आपको शो देने की क्या जरूरत है? But no, having said that, I think yeah, of course, obviously, I mean, it's a thriller. It's obviously got a love story at its heart, and it's also legal drama. तो ऐसे जब इतने सारे genres mixed हैं तो naturally बहुत सारे twists and turns आने वाले. But मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ कहूँगी, जो fans of #JRAN, that please just stick on. Of course it's a love story, and of course ये बहुत ही unique love story, तो इसके twists and turns भी बहुत unique है. और जब वो साथ आएंगे तो trust you me, you will remember it for years. That I promise.
Well, अगर उसी बात पे मैं कहूँ जेनिफर, आपके फैंस I would say they are so active that एक
They're much more, definitely more active than I am.
I would agree with that. मतलब एक खबर मिल जाए उनको, कोई सीन दिख ले या ऐसे ही आप कहीं पे स्पॉट हो जाए तो उनका पहला सवाल होता है कि अरे जेनी क्या कर रही है, तो उनका कैसा रिएक्शन है अब that they are seeing you in this role?
Yeah,
how they've reacted for this?
Honestly, I know I've said this many times before, but I am extremely grateful that I have the fans I have, because if it wasn't for them, I really wouldn't be who I am. No matter what character I have played in life, they've always appreciated, they've criticized it also. ऐसा नहीं है that if I can get away with anything, So it's their validation, it's their love, it's their consistent and constant support that मुझे भी लगता है that I should do better, or I should get better, or I should pick roles that resonate with me, that resonate with them. So their reaction has been amazing, and that gives you such a push to kind of just get better, even in life in general. I really have no words to say how thankful I am.
I think Jennifer ने खुद ही एक बात बोल दी कि मुझसे ज़्यादा वो एक्टिव है, because ये कंप्लेंट उनकी बहुत रही है, लेकिन वो फिर भी आपके छोटे-छोटे पोस्ट, एक पोस्ट आता है ना, उसमें भी वो बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं. So do you think that you would want to give them sneak peeks from the sets, because बाकी co-stars तो देते रहते हैं?
I mean, I do when I can.
Yes.
But it's you're almost in every scene. ठीक है, तो आपको बहुत सारा बैक टू बैक सीन्स होता है, आपको प्रेपरेशन का टाइम होता है, there are so many things that go before and after a scene that I don't really get the time to kind of make whatever, मुझसे जब होता है मैं कर देती हूँ, जब टाइम नहीं होता है then it's not possible.
But then tell me one thing very honestly, I think we were just talking that you are the only actor that I know of जिसका कोई PR नहीं है. Social media पे we were just discussing कि Twitter पे that you are, but you're not, and Instagram पे भी इतना regularly you don't post, but then the popularity is skyrocketed. So
I think that's why.
No, look, I've started Instagram when it was all for fun, there was no business behind it or anything like that, so it was just for fun, and I used to post or whatever I could. And then a very close friend of mine, Simone, she helped me out with Instagram. She used to do my PR and marketing and all of that, and then she had to take a break, and then I think with her also, because we are friends, we are really close friends, so it was always organic content that went on my page. It wasn't. And I still believe that if I don't feel like posting anything, then I won't post, just because
रोज पोस्ट करना है,
whatever, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, what is that thing that goes up, algorithm and this and that. I do things, I work because I enjoy it. I will do things because I enjoy it, not because I have to do. Once that becomes a business, then the fun is out of it. You're like then one of the many millions who are doing the same thing, and I don't enjoy that. So I post because I'm like, just because I feel like it. If I don't feel like it, I don't post. So it has to be fun. No, it's not, everything's not a business.
Yes.
And everything's not a, and I do give a sneak peek into my life when I feel I want
possible,
to,
yes.
you know,
Totally.
and there are some things that are only for me, and there are some things that are for my fans and for my family and friends, and I like to keep that.
And they've loved you for that thing, to be very honest. But then, you know, now that she's saying fun पे, I would love to know, because हम set की बहुत sneak peek देखते हैं, चाहे वो Reem के through या Karan के through हो. How difficult or how fun is it to actually have these guys when the scene is like break पर? How are these guys on set? Because we have seen how crazy fun videos we get from the sets. But how is it actually on the sets? माहौल कैसा होता है? Like, you know, how has it been working with these guys?
So firstly देखो, आप गलत आदमी से पूछ रहे हो, राइटर।
I know, but
मैं
then
तो एसी कमरे में बैठ कर रात को लिखती हूँ, तो मुझे ना in that sense I don't really you know have to be on the set.
Okay.
Of course I visit every once in a while क्योंकि मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. I'm also a director essentially, तो you know, so the set vibe, the shoot
Yes.
energy and all that is great. So मैं उनको काफ़ी intermittently मिलती हूँ, और मैं इनको तब मिलती हूँ जब कहानी में मैं कोई twist लिख रही हूँ, या you know there's a big sort of turn. तो ऑब्वियसली एवरी टाइम आई मीट वो बहुत ज़्यादा फन तो है ही,
Yes.
बट व्हाट आई लाइक इज दैट, यू नो, व्हाट आई एम ऑलवेज अमेज्ड एट, एंड आई थिंक आई नेवर रियली सेड इट टू यू जेनी एंड टू करण, इज दैट द ease with which these two characters, you know, they just get into character, you know, when they're doing the scene and they snap, they're out of it, you know.
Yes.
And this is without prep, and they're doing this day in day out, and you see this is not really like, it's not a TV show
Yeah.
जहाँ पे आपने एक ना एक्टिंग की, वो वैसा नहीं है, they're really real. And there's so many times I can see that they're just putting themselves into the role, you know, and that's very difficult. मतलब लोग सालों तक method acting सीख के ये सब करते हैं, you know. So the ease with which they do that, I love that.
So tell me one thing, because when you wrote characters, you know, Karan ke or Jennifer ke, how you picturize them, and now that the character has been changing and, you know, every day evolving, do you think that, you know, आपका जो विजन है उनको इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे से पकड़ लिया, या there is still something that you would like to put into the characters, graph or something?
नहीं देखो, 102 एपिसोड लिखने के बाद कोई कुछ और नहीं डालना चाहता है. I can assure you. No, having said that, let me answer that in two ways. पहली बात देखिए, जब भी कोई लिखता है तो ये ऑब्वियस बात है जो मैं कहने जा रही हूँ कि जब आप लिखते हैं तो उस समय एक्टर्स नहीं कास्ट होते हैं, तो
Yes.
नेचुरली आप कैरेक्टर्स क्रिएट कर रहे होते हैं, तो आप अपनी तरीके से इमेजिन करते हैं. समटाइम मे बी यू कास्ट पीपल इन योर हेड, बट आई डिड नॉट. सो आई वाज क्रिएटिंग टू कैरेक्टर्स व्हिच अकॉर्डिंग टू मी वर गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूनिक फॉर इंडियन स्क्रीन्स. क्योंकि उसमें दो यूनिकनेस ये थी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, इज दैट कि एक, क्योंकि वी आर यूज्ड टू यूजुअली जो हीरोइन होती है हमारी, वो थोड़ी बेचारी होती है, तो यूजुअली यू नो शी इज द अंडरडॉग, तो अक्सर वो देसी लड़की होती है, यू नो,
Yes.
जो नीचे के तबके से आ रही है या स्मॉल टाउन से आ रही है. तो मेरे पास एक कैरेक्टर थी जो ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं होने वाली थी.
Okay.
She's a South Bombay girl. She's a privileged girl. She's the classic nepo kid. She's a girl who's going to wear pantsuit. She's going to go to work and
Like
going
a boss lady.
She's a boss lady and a badass lady at that, and yet so much empathy. Okay, so I knew कि और उसको मुझे underdog बनाना है, and that was my challenge. And I told everybody कि allow me. You know, I've done this before. अगर मैंने फैशन फिल्म में ऐसा किया, हीरोइन में ऐसा किया, कितनी जगह पे ऐसा किया, I mean those are just two things, but many TV shows as well. तो allow me to you know break that idea of yours कि बेचारी ही होना है, वो बिल्कुल नहीं होगी बेचारी, you know.
Okay.
So the strong girl who has a soft heart, that was what I was, you know, I set out to do. Of course, that time Jennifer was, I mean, I didn't know that they were going to cast her. And then there was that day when she walked into our office, and I looked at her and I said, "Oh, I know that's my Anushka. You know, I know it. Like, I mean, of course, even if I didn't say so, she was going to be my Anushka anyway. But when I saw her, I knew that she understood it, and she would just walk that fine line so well, and then also bring so much grace and dignity to it, you know. तो वो तो मेरे लिए मतलब बिल्कुल ही 10 on 10 था.
Okay.
And also over a long period of time, क्योंकि फिल्म में 2 घंटे का होता है, you know, वेब शो में 8 episodes का होता है, यहाँ पे बहुत लंबा होने वाला था.
जी.
So if that didn't match, so of course if that hadn't matched, I would have observed her and then put in stuff that you know she is.
Okay.
हाँ, फिर मैं जेनिफर गिरी करती उसमें. बट ये उल्टा हुआ कि जेनिफर ने अनुष्का गिरी इतनी अच्छी की, You know, that really, there have been times when we've said that, you know, there's an alter ego going on कि वो जेनिफर कब अनुष्का बन जाती है, अनुष्का कब अनुराधा होती है, तो फिर अनुराधा कब जेनी, मतलब, you know, there's a whole girl, you know, gang going on here between she, me and a character that is close to both of us. Yeah?
But tell me something, because Jennifer, you have been very choosy with your projects, you know, be it on TV, be it on OTT, anything for that matter. It's not like कि कल मूड गया उठा के ये कर लिया. What was that one thing that actually struck out for you for this one, that you were like, okay, this is something that I would want to do, like, you know?
I think to begin with, there was nothing, no particular thing that struck me. I really like the story. I like the people that I was working with, and I wanted to be associated with them. So when they offer me something, I know that this is going to be good, and I really do have that trust in them, and I'm very grateful that they have that trust in me. So I actually wanted to do another show, and you know, they said that, you know, I think you should do this. So, and I went with their judgment, and I think it was over a period of time I kind of started really getting touched by Anushka's character. And I was just talking to Bhavna this morning that this character, with all the things that she said, that it has the strength and the privilege and the everything on a silver platter, in spite of that, there is so much compassion in this girl, there is so much goodness in this girl, there is so much love and kindness in this girl that it helps me in real life also. बहुत, you know, especially when you're a city girl, you know, you are used to the hustle bustle of the city and the cutthroatness of the city, and, you know, be it in your work or be it in life in general, it's very easy for city women, more so urban women who have so many things to do in one, you know, particular moment. It's very easy for us to cut off.
Yeah.
You know, कि ये नहीं हो रहा छोड़ दो, वो नहीं हो रहा छोड़ दो, बाहर में, yeah. But I think I am like that if it's not working for me, then I leave it. I am not going to go after it.
Okay.
But I think over these 6 months, I have also kind of imbibed that compassionate quality, that kindness, that, you know, you take it a bit easy. You don't always have to be cut, you know, you have to. So I think, and there are so many lovely scenes that she's written where she talks about mental health, and she talks about healing, and she talks about how kabhi-kabhi kya hota hai na, hum like yesterday you were saying that, you know, when you show your weakness, sometimes there is a perception that you're not going to do well in life, or या फिर लोग आपको कमजोर समझेंगे, but that is not a weakness.
Yes.
You know, it is absolutely okay to say what you're feeling, whether it is whatever you're feeling, you know, you don't have to always keep it inside.
Yes.
But there is a way to say it. You don't have to be rude about it. You don't have to be about it, you know, you have to, there is an assertive way of saying things without being arrogant or rude. So I think over these last 6 months, Anushka has actually taught me to be a little more patient, a little more compassionate, a little more kind. And this is one of the few characters that, and there's so many scenes when you talk about, you know, the parent self and the child self and the adult self, you know. I have taken a lot from this character. I definitely have taken a lot in my life, because it's a character that everybody aspires to be. It's a very aspirational character.
Yes.
You know, कि आपको भी ऐसा बनना है. And that goes for me also, that, okay, just take a step back before you react. Respond.
Yeah.
You know, you don't have to react to everything. You have to respond. So I think it's been a great learning experience for me as well.
You know, but then when you say this thing about mental health, how and the whole concept behind it, and you know the topics that you guys are trying to touch, in a way, these are those topics जो openly लोग आगे सामने बात नहीं करेंगे, but then through your show they are obviously discussing and talking about it. So has it ever happened with either of you that, you know, people after seeing the episode they have like, oh, I also wanted to come out and express this thing, you know, मेरे साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है, मैं भी ये experience share करना चाहती हूँ, तो have they reached out to you?
to me a lot,
Okay.
you know, and
Yeah.
so, sure, please.
No,
answer that
please
as
go
well.
ahead.
But मेरे DM पे तो रोज आता है, and I tell you I'm so glad you asked this question, because to me, you know, I've said this before. I feel firstly that's the dharma of a storyteller.
Yes.
Is, you know, we have such a powerful medium कि अगर आपने change के बारे में बात ही नहीं की तो आप क्यों कहानी कह रहे हो, वो भी इतनी लंबी वाली है. So for me, I feel personally, my personal mission is to talk about mental health and to talk about change that is possible within your daily life.
Okay.
Because exactly like she said, you know, just to be able to respond and not react, that's the first level of therapy. So just for people to know, I am a part-time therapist. So a lot of the stuff that she just spoke about is therapy that I've learned. I'm trained in psychology. Something called transaction analysis is just FYI. So in that, yes, there is scene after scene, episode after episode where I've had people DMing me saying, ma'am, we so understand, and that's why Anushka to them is so dear, because they felt that she spoke for them, you know.
Okay.
They understand that exactly like she said कि vulnerability weakness नहीं होती है, और एक बहुत ही strong लड़की बहुत vulnerable भी हो सकती है,
Okay.
you know, और strong होते ही वो man नहीं बन जाती है.
Correct.
You know, she doesn't become a man just because she's wearing pants, you know. There is a feminine quality to strength. And that's what Anushka stands for. She's the feminine part of control and pressure and strength. And that's what I think she's really embodying. So yes, and that's one. And secondly, extremely important, because we haven't touched upon it, is their relationship.
Yes.
So Anushka and Virat, क्योंकि वो बहुत you know discussed है, कभी-कभी controversial, कभी-कभी contentious है, because there is a little bit of a toxicity in the relationship in the beginning. They have what they call the classic codependent relationship, and through the show we are showing how to deal with it.
Okay.
And how to heal that. So in that sense, Karan's character is going through a transformation, and it is really Anushka's character that helps him transform.
Okay.
So not only are we talking about this transformation and therapy, yes, there's actually a therapist character coming in the show. You know, a little ahead, and like she said, so through that I'm actually passing on you know, messages that I know people can use in daily life for sure, you know. And that's my way of passing the message on and embedding messaging. And last but not the least on this topic is that, you know, the basic idea behind the show was, and which is how I think Sony in fact agreed to it, is that I was asking this question, that is there the relevance of goodness even in today's world? What is the relevance of goodness? क्या अच्छाई आज भी जी सकती है without being boring and a doormat? And that's what Anushka's character is standing up for.
Okay.
And that's what Jennifer brings to life and light in this amazing way, with so much sass and sexiness and dignity. And that's what is the success of the character by the end of the show.
Yes.
And that's what the success I think of the show itself is, कि हम बता रहे हैं कि नहीं, अच्छाई भी ना ट्रेंड कर सकती है, अच्छाई भी डिजाइनर लग सकती है.
Indeed, but then has it happened with you that somebody has DM'd you saying कि आपने वो जो scene act किया या जो आपने वो बात करा, that you know, like how they related to the scene that you portrayed there, or maybe something from the show, because I'm sure they reach out to you a lot.
Keep my notifications off.
So I'll answer that for her again, because you know, this was something that needed to reach you. You know, in one of our earlier episodes, Anushka's character is on TV somewhere, and she's trying to defend her father and some case that she's fought. तो उसमें कोई you know, there's a role like that and there's a case like that where the girl is wrong.
Oh, okay.
So in that, Anushka's character, and Jennifer said it like Jennifer, I can see that, कि you know, औरत सिर्फ औरत होने से ही सही नहीं हो जाती. You
Yes,
know,
yes, I remember that, yes.
Even a woman can be wrong,
Yes.
and you cannot misuse the law. That has gone the most viral.
Yeah.
Yes, and everybody, and of course men have resonated, but so have women.
Yeah.
And they've all, that's viral even right now on Instagram, and everybody keeps tagging you and saying whatever, like, yay, you know, like finally somebody said it. And
I think I've seen a lot of reels also on that, because आपके
Yeah.
dialogues
Oh,
के
yeah?
yeah, on your dialogues from
okay,
the
okay.
series.
Yeah.
I've seen so many reels ऐसे करके ना act करते हुए, they'll actually dress up like you and they'll dress
That's
up like you, like that way
amazing.
around. But tell me one thing, because a lot of actors where कुछ ना करके भी या even कोशिश करके भी they get very easily stereotyped. You, even without, I would say, by not even putting that conscious effort, but you're choosing projects for yourself.
No, it is a conscious effort.
It is a-
a very conscious effort.
But then that's a very good effort, because touchwood, by God's grace, the kind of characters that
Yeah.
you have played in your journey, and I would really applaud for that, is because every character has its own story, has its graph, and if it's a conscious effort, the other one is, way par. Like, it's like Jennifer is setting a benchmark for herself and she's like, oh, I'll just
That's such a nice thing to say. Thank
beat
you.
that benchmark myself. But then, has it ever happened? Because, दूर से देखने में लगता है कि, wow, what a perfect thing going in her life at types. But has it ever happened that you really wanted to play a particular role? Maybe, you were finalized also and then you were like, something didn't click and you were like, okay, next time. Maybe.
Yeah.
Has it happened?
Yeah. I had auditioned for Night Manager.
Okay. Oh, okay.
I didn't get it.
Okay.
Okay.
And I was a bit. I mean, ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ. It's not. अभी it just came to my
Yes,
head right now.
Shobita's role.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And I love the original show.
Yeah.
And there was Aditya Roy Kapoor in it.
Oh.
Stars didn't align.
It's okay.
No,
Everybody
it's
has
fine,
hearts
it's
tonight.
fine. No. नहीं ऐसा पहली बार
Yeah.
नहीं हुआ. ये पहले भी बहुत हुआ. Like I started my career at a very young age.
Yes.
So I've seen rejection, and but it's never really been a thing. I mean, of course, if you really want to play a character and it doesn't work out, you feel a bit sad. But life goes on, and something better comes along. I truly, honestly believe in that. That every time something has not worked out for me, something even better has happened.
Is coming
so
towards,
yeah,
yes.
so now I take it like acha ye nahi hua, something better is coming. So I really don't look at it like a setback or a failure or anything. I just know that something better is coming, and it always has. That's
But
all.
then I would say that when you are trying to keep your personal and professional life different, how is it that you go out matlab in the
How do-
market? No, you go out in the market and then somebody calls say some
Yeah.
character name of yours,
Yeah.
maybe just recognizes you by the characters you've played. How does it feel? Like, how
It
do
feels
you...
amazing. It feels amazing that, in fact, just this morning I was in the elevator and a gentleman who was, not really like, he was a little older. And I did not expect him to start chatting with me. And he's like, okay, I really like your work. And I was without makeup, subah, eyes swollen and everything, He's like, oh, I really like your work. I'm like, great. And so, it's not just women who are watching this. It's not just the youngsters who are watching this. It's not the people who are just on Instagram are making it trend. But it's people of across all ages and gender are watching this. And he said, I really love Anushka's character. And I can resonate with some things that she says. And then he's like, I love Maya also. And, all of these things. So it's so good that, like you said, you're not stereotyped as one character,
Yeah.
and people remember
Each character.
And that it's an amazing feeling. It's really, that's what I work for.
Because I'll be honest, when I have this tendency that every day I'll have a talk with my parents, they'll be like, "Aaj kya scene hai," and all that. So I just told them, "Haan mama, Jennifer ka interview and all that." So my father पीछे से आवाज मार के, because I'm expecting my mom to say,
Yeah,
अच्छा ये क्या है?
yeah.
Moms will see. My papa पीछे से, कौन Jennifer? I'm like, Papa, actress थे. वो Maya. I think that was something over, because my father does not watch
Yeah.
shows and all that. I'm like,
Yeah.
you watched the scene? I watched both of them. I'm like, oh
sweet.
God.
Please tell him I said hi.
So that was something that I was like, okay, there are people like,
Yeah.
you wouldn't know that thing. It is
Yeah.
not that just the youth is watching.
Yeah.
Everybody is watching. So does
I
That's
really
a
have
very
been
big fan.
blessed. I have really been blessed with the kind of characters that I have been given to enact. I mean, genuinely, it's with every, having said everything, but it's also, I think I truly am blessed that I get to play amazing characters everywhere, OTT, TV. I really am.
and what about the fan edits? Because
yeah,
seeing,
that's so good.
seeing how
That's so good.
they make beautiful edits. We were just talking like,
Yeah.
how they just give you
Yeah.
such storylines.
Yeah,
in edits.
sometimes I look at them, I'm like, I don't even remember sometimes, like, oh my God, I've done this also, But it's amazing that things that you had done ages ago is still out there. People are still watching it, and people are loving it, and people are getting entertained by it. And as an actor, I think that's my dharma, as you said, is to entertain people. And if that's happening, it's amazing.
Well, I would ask both of you one question, because
Last
you
question.
yes, because you have worked with so many actresses, you have worked with so many actors and directors. Who is that one actor that you guys personally feel he was the most easiest to work with, like a cakewalk? And who do you think is one such actor that मुश्किल था लेकिन जो result आया वो बहुत ही अच्छा था?
मैं अच्छा वाला बोलूंगी.
Okay,
No,
cool.
definitely Karan Wahi. I mean, look, we worked 14 years ago.
Yes.
And just it's honestly, and we were just talking the other day that because we have each other on the set, we are the last ones, we are the first ones to come in and the last ones to go.
I'm sure.
So, but because of the bond that we have, because of the friendship that we had, it's actually been a cakewalk, at least for me. So definitely Wahi. And what was the other
कि
question?
like one actor जिनके साथ काम करना मुश्किल था initially, but then जो result आया है screen पर, that's like so beautiful. Any actor, be it a senior actor or maybe some director.
मुश्किल तो नहीं हुआ यार.
Maybe
किसी के
he's a
साथ.
perfectionist, and initial years में you were scared that how it will turn out to be. Any senior
No,
actor or something.
everybody has been very kind and very generous with like I said, I've worked with the best of people. Yeah. I really
Okay.
can't remember.
I
anybody
think
like
the
that.
writer might have
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 probably.
I'm
somebody
gonna answer that just because you
Yeah.
asked me a question. So see, of course, I mean, as writers, we are working, style and stuff is different from how she's saying. So of course, one has worked with Hrithik Roshan also, and Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor, Neel Nitin, all kinds of actors.
Yes.
And so now obviously everybody has their own sort of method, style, demands, and how they interpret the character and the script, etc. But let me talk about Karan Wahi, who's not on this interview right now. And I would say that yes, I think he, for me, is the character who's been the easiest and the most difficult.
Oh.
I'll tell you why. No, not as Karan Wahi, as the character.
As the character,
yeah, which
okay.
is Virat. I'll tell you why. Because it's a very unique character.
Yes.
If you watch it. Because he is meant to be designed as toxic from the outside, but he's a closet gentleman.
Yes.
अब ये बात पहले तो समझना, पहले पेपर पे समझना, फिर उसको जो करण भाई ने समझा है, because his that boy charm that he has, he has an innate nobility to him, which I did not know because I didn't know him ever before this, but through his fan base
The
and through
sweetheart.
what shines through his eyes, तो वो क्लॉजेट जेंटलमैन और उसको वो उस पर फिर भी वो जो सारी चीज़ें जो वो कर रहा है, क्योंकि उसकी एक साइकोलॉजी है जिसको हमने एक्सप्लेन भी किया है शो में, so for me that was when they said Karan Bhai, I said bang on, this is my guy, he's gonna do it, because I just knew him as a character and just how as a psychologist I read people, I said this guy will do it. But interestingly, it's Karan himself who had many more issues with the toxicity of the guy.
Oh.
And which is so beautiful, because a man having an issue with the bad guy he's playing, which all the women by the way love, because that character is called Virat. Most women have told me, either I've dated a man like this, or married to a man like this, or I have liked a man like this.
Everybody likes red flags, I would say.
Exactly. It's the red carpet. So, so all of us have. So it's a tribute to all the Virats in our life,
Not tribute. It's a fucking...
No. It's a tribute. I'll tell you
it's
why.
reality check, ladies.
Exactly. So no, I'll still say
Let's
why.
It's three ladies gossiping about red flags.
No, 1 second. It is a tribute only because I'm saying tribute not because the character is going to do, is doing all the writing right now.
Okay.
But eventually he does. He gets to the nobility in him.
Okay.
He brings out the gentleman in him because he finally feels safe enough to be good. Because that's a character who believes that to be bad is the only way to function in the world, which is in sharp contrast to her character who believes कि आज भी सच्चाई का ज़माना है. So you see, they are in love with each other at a very with a conflict which is so ideological. So therefore, I'll still call him a tribute. So you see what I mean? that to convince Karan is often very it's tricky and it's fun, because eventually जब वो screen पे वो करता है, sometimes it is of course because he's convinced about whatever we've written or discussed, or sometimes he brings his own brand of it or his own interpretation, and it's always right. I feel he just gets it so right emotionally, और हमारा विराट फिर shine कर जाता है, और फिर of course लोग कभी गालियाँ देते कभी whatever, but I'll tell you watch all the threads and all the comments, everybody still loves him for the fact कि वो try करता है और उसमें एक hope है, and he is the hope of the show. कि अगर वो ठीक हो जाए ना तो दुनिया भी ठीक हो सकती है.
But I would sum it up for you saying here one thing that each woman who's watching me, and I think men also, लाल कलर ना हम सबको बहुत ज्यादा ही पसंद है, और हम कहते हैं कि वो जो शादी का लड्डू है कि खा के पछताए कि ना खा के, हम कहते हैं खा के पछता लेते, तो हम सबने वो लाल कलर चीज सबने देखा है. But then last question from Jenny, I would like to just one thing. We have seen you on OTT, we have seen you doing great shows on television.
When are you coming on films?
Films and music videos, because because a lot of actors, they feel that music videos के through they are also connecting with, because ये trend में चल रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. Do we see you in any music videos? Do you plan on doing any music videos or what?
I'm planning on a holiday.
Oh wow!
That's
I
what
wish
my plan is right now.
at least out of the 3 of 1, एक तो जा सके. I would
There's
say.
going to be a music video on the show, by the way. So then.
Now I want. Now I'm so. Now she just excited me. But then what about? Are you thinking of any music videos or a Bollywood something like plans हैं कोई? What is it like for you?
No, I have no plans. One day at a time. जब आएगा तब कर लेंगे. जब नहीं आएगा तो नहीं करेंगे.
Well, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, ladies. Because fans को आप आखिरी में क्या कहेंगे? Because जैसे उन्होंने बोल दिया ना music video, अब fans और कुछ नहीं तो ये रीजन से चिपके रहेंगे. कब आएगा promo?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है अभी. First, let's just focus on Rai Singhani, and I really don't know, but I do want to really thank you. Extremely grateful to all my fans. I mean, you know it, guys. You really do know it. I love you, and thank you for loving me, and thank you for loving all of us and loving the show. And keep commenting and keep giving your suggestions, and let's get ready for season 2.
She's already hinted, but then I would just give you a request उनकी तरफ से. They want you to be a little, not ज़्यादा, थोड़ा सा or active, so that they get to connect with you. Beat anything, an AMS session or anything for that matter. Just a way to connect with you. That's
Okay,
the
I will
request.
take that advice and I will work on it, definitely.
I've conveyed it. But guys, thank you so much for joining me here on Times Net. It was
Thank
a
you.
pleasure. I would say that good luck for whatever plans you have for Rai Singhani
Thank
Rai
you.
Singhania. And it was a pleasure having the two of you here.
Likewise. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Well,
much.
that was Jennifer and this is me and that was Anuradha here, the writer जिन्होंने सब कुछ spill कर दिया है अब आपके लिए. And this is me, Vishakha Pandit, signing off from Times Network, Teletalk.